Great feature of the Ilve 60-inch is the secondary oven. So while you're doing the primary roast around the holidays, you have that secondary oven to bake the pie or do that side dish. Today what we're going to do is use our convection feature to cook off some Brussels sprouts. Now, convection has several benefits, one of which is the ability to use more space in the oven. With your true European style convection, you're getting an even heat distribution. In this case, I'm roasting some potatoes, I'm also doing some Brussels sprouts, and I can also bake some cookies all at the same time with an even cooking across the pans and a non-transfer of flavors.